In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover to your Substack post. We'll start right from your Substack dashboard. First, head to the posts area. This is where all of your writing lives and where you can manage content that's already out in the world. Once you're there, switch to the Publish tab. This view shows your live post, which is perfect if you want to add a voiceover to something your audience can already read. Find the post you want to update and open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots next to the post. This menu gives you quick actions without leaving the page. Choose Edit to open the post in the editor. You'll be taken back into the familiar writing view, but with all the tools you need to enhance the post. Inside the editor, look for the Insert Audio icon in the toolbar. It typically appears alongside other embed tools and is designed to add sound directly into your content. Click that icon, then choose VoiceOver from the available options. Selecting VoiceOver helps frame this audio as narration accompanying the post, rather than a standalone podcast episode. You now have two simple ways to add your narration. If you've already recorded your audio, you can drag and drop the file right into the uploader, or click to browse your computer and select it. Give the upload a moment to process. Larger files can take a little longer. Quick tip: a clear, steady recording in a common format like MP3 or WAV usually works best and keeps loading smooth for your readers. If you haven't recorded yet, you can do it on the spot. Choose the Record Audio option to capture your voice directly in the browser. Make sure your microphone is connected and, if prompted, allow your browser to access it. For the cleanest sound, record in a quiet room, keep the mic a consistent distance from your mouth, and speak at a comfortable, natural pace. If your first take isn't perfect, don't worry. You can try again until it sounds right. When your file is ready, click Done. Substack will insert an audio player right inside your post. From your reader's perspective, this makes the experience more accessible and engaging. They can listen along while they read or use the voiceover on the go. And that's it. You opened your published post, entered the editor, used the audio tool, chose voiceover, added your file or recorded on the spot, and finalized it with Done. Your narration is now part of the post and ready for your audience to enjoy.